Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to the physical education class. In the previous topic, we have discussed about the growth and stages of growth and development, and today we are going to start another part of this unit, which is very interesting, and this topic is fully knowledgeable also. Okay, so let's start. The topic is concept of correct posture, or we are going to discuss the postural deformities. But before starting the topic postural deformities, we should know about the correct posture. Okay, what is correct posture? Correct posture is a manner of standing or sitting in a balanced manner, like you can see in the picture. And uh, in this there is few pictures related with standing pose and sitting pose, right? So we have to stand or we have to sit in a correct and balanced manner. That is called correct posture. Okay, so let's start the topic. The topic is common postural deformities. Okay, and in the human body, postural deformities most often are a result of problems with either the spinal or limb. Most of the postural deformities are related with spinal and the body limb. Okay, these are, or we can say, types of postural deformities are spinal curvature, flat foot, knock knees, bow legs, and round shoulders. Okay, and we are going to discuss the first topic, spinal curvature, today. Okay, spinal curvature means the postural deformities which are related with our spinal cord or with our backbone, we can say. Okay, there are three types of spinal curvature, which are kyphosis, lordosis, and scoliosis. Okay, so the first is kyphosis. Kyphosis is a forward rounding or upper half postural deformity. It is also called hunchback or round back. It is an abnormal increase in the flexion of the spine in outward position, and you can see in the picture. This is the normal spine in which there is a small or normal arch, right? But in this image, this upper backbone or upper spinal cord is moving outwards, right, or bending forward. So this kind of postural deformity is known as kyphosis. Now the causes of kyphosis. If someone is having kyphosis or suffering from this problem, they should know about the causes, then only they can measure the or manage the problem. First, illness. Second, rickets. Rickets means weakness of bones. Okay. Third is sinus among girls. Fourth, carrying heavy loads on shoulders. Whenever you carry heavy loads on your shoulder, that time you bend forward, right? And in that condition, kyphosis increases. Heredity is related with the bones. It means if someone is having rickets in their hereditary problem, then it can be. Okay, next is reading in dim light. Whenever you read in the dim light, you bend forward. Okay, in the sitting position, it increases the problem, right? Next is unsuitable furniture. If the furniture in which you are sitting, that is not correct, that can cause kyphosis. Okay, what are the precautions? The individual should adopt good posture, wear loose clothes, and use suitable furniture. We can keep in mind in these things, right, to avoid these kind of postural deformity. Next is corrective measures. Corrective measures for the kyphosis. Okay, number one is use pillow under your back. Whenever you are sleeping, that time you can put a pillow under your backs in the upper part or upper limb. Second is sitting should be proper manner. Whenever you are sitting, in that time your back should be straight, right? Okay. Third is bend your head in backward position, like this. In this second picture, you can say you can put a pillow under your back and you can relax your head backward position. Okay. Next is some of the yogic asana like Bhujangasana, Chakrasana, Dhanurasana are beneficial for the kyphosis. Right? It can correct the kyphosis deformity. Okay, next is lordosis. Lordosis or hollow back is a common deformity of posture. It is the inward curvature of spine and an increased forward in the lumbar region. The abdominal muscles becomes longer and move forward. Okay, the body seems to be stiff. It mostly occurs in the obese people who have weak back muscles and heavy abdomen. Okay, this kind of problem mostly common are in those people who has overweight, okay, or who has increased tummy. So in the picture you can see here is the lordosis problem of lordosis in the lumbar back, okay, in which the bone is moving forward, okay, or inward we can say. Now causes of lordosis. The causes of lordosis and kyphosis are similar, okay. First, imbalanced diet. If you are not having proper diet, then your bones becomes weak. Improper development of muscles. Next, taking excessive food. If you will take excessive food, you will get more weight, right? Okay. Decreases affecting spinal muscles. Sorry, diseases affecting spinal muscles. It means whenever there is any disease which affects the backbone or the muscles, uh, then you can have this kinds of problem. Obesity and bad habits formation during growing stage, especially whenever the child is in the growing stage. We already discussed in the previous topic that in that age they should do the proper exercises. If the child do not perform correct exercises or uh, use any bad habit of sitting and standing, that time he can face this problem. Precautions. Balanced diet should be taken first, because if you are getting a good balance, then you will get good nutrition. Okay, the individual should stand straight while carrying weight, never take excessive food, avoid obesity, etc. Next are the corrective measures. All forward bending exercises are done for the curing lordosis, because in that condition if you bend forward uh, that time this will come outward. Okay, so these exercises are beneficial. Next is toe touching exercises should be done. Stop walking, long stride walking, right? Next is climbing the stairs up is alternative. Okay, next is another yogic asanas like halasana, paschimottanasana, trikonasana, etc. can also be helpful for curing lordosis. Next is scoliosis. It is the problem of spine in which vertebral column bends to sideward. Okay, scoliosis causes one shoulder down and other is raised up. Okay, you can easily see in the picture there is sideward band in this picture and sideward band in lumbar part of the backbone. Okay, so causes of scoliosis. If there is difference in legs length, okay, then it occurs. Lifting weight towards one side in routine. If we are carrying weight like this, you can see in the picture, okay, and you are carrying the weight for a longer time period or in the daily basis, then you can suffer from scoliosis. Okay, it can be also due to carrying heavy loads on one shoulder, in unhealthy condition. Okay, study in insufficient light. Whenever you study in sufficient light, you try to move closer to the book or notebook, right? Unsuitable desk, partial deafness. Whenever if there is partial deafness, you try to listen it very carefully and you bend towards one side, or wrong standing position. And if we try to stand like this, or we can say we follow the fashion, that is also the cause of scoliosis. Precaution: don't walk long time while carrying weight in one hand. Okay, always stand in correct posture, use suitable furniture, balanced diet should be taken. Okay, corrective measures: hold the horizontal bar with hands and let your body hang on sometime like this, or you can hang with open hands also. Swim by breaststroke technique, it also helps the scoliosis. General spinal exercises of flexion, extension, rotation, and sideward flexion are the spinal to be done. Whatever there are so many types of exercises related with our shoulder, we should perform that also. Perform bending exercise in appropriate side of the C-shaped curve. If you are C-shaped curve in your spinal cord, then you should move opposite of it. Okay, yogic asanas like Ardha Chakrasana, Trikonasana, Tadasana, etc. could help during the deformity. If you are having uh, scoliosis, in which direction it is, just do the opposite exercises, or do the exercise in the opposite direction. That can measure the, or that can correct the scoliosis problem. Okay, these are the corrective measure, and this was a topic, and it is very interesting topic. Okay, thank you so much.